How to add location link in Canva invitation. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add location link on Canva invitation card. So first of all, let's say this is the invitation card I am making on Canva. So as you can see, here's a option for the address. So we will just add a link here of the venue we will be holding this party. So let's say a NOLA Pedalbird Swamp Tour Party Boat is the location for our program. So as you can see, this is the address. From here you can just simply copy the address. As you can see, the address is being copied right now, and you can just select it and paste the address here, and we can just leave it like this one. This is the address of our location, or we can just also add USA from here. And after that you can see there's a option called link here. As you can see, the link is here. You just simply click on the link, or you can also select Ctrl+K, and after that you have to go back to the Google Maps and then copy the link from here and paste it directly here. And after that you just have to select the display mode like aimed or link. I'll just keep it as a link. And as you can see, so let's make it as done. And as you can see, the link has been clicked. You can also add another text like click here for the address, so that the people will get to know that if when you click here for the address, the link will be opened, and they can directly uh, redirect to the Google Maps and just come to the place. And after that you can just click on share and save it as a PNG or best for document and emailing. You can just click on download, and after that, after downloading the file, you can see here this is the invitation card, and you can just click on here and it will redirect you to the location, as you can see. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.